If you operate POTA, you need to check out this antenna. This is the HF-009 from Radioddity. Why do they name it that? Why don't they name it something like POTA Killer or a cool name? It's weird naming. The first thing I noticed when I opened it up is the quality of the antenna itself. It also comes with protection for the threads. Just slip them on and off. They're easy to screw together. You can see they don't flex at all. They're not loose couplings, those are very tight. Every piece fits nicely in the case, strapped into its own position. You also get ground radials that plug in, a coax cable, and a BNC adapter. Comes with the ground spike that has the PL239, the base connects to it, and there's these little holes for your ground radials to go into. Everything from the radio out, the coax, the antenna, the ground radials, all fit into this handy carrying case. So let's take it out to my favorite operating place. A friend asked the other day, why are you always testing antennas in your backyard? And the answer is quite simple. If you see these power lines running overhead, and the fact that I'm in a normal subdivision, this is an area with a lot of RFI. And if an antenna works here, then I know it'll work for you, and I feel safe recommending it to you. Assembly is really easy. Insert the ground stake, then connect the two poles, followed by the loading coil. Screw on the whip, and extend it all the way up. Finally, connect the ground radials and spread them out, then connect your coax. To tune the antenna, just adjust the slider until you reach the best SWR. It can be touchy, so small adjustments. Love it or hate it, I'm a digital guy. I like to operate while I'm watching some of my favorite YouTube channels. Over the period of a week, in 35-mile-an-hour winds, the antenna has never had an issue, and I logged 50 contacts, some as far away as 8,000 miles. I've used a few coil-loaded antennas before, and I wasn't impressed with them. But honestly, with this center loading design, it seems to work very well. This has quickly become one of my favorite antennas. And with its convenient case, I always make sure to grab it when I head out to operate. What's your thoughts on coil-loaded antennas? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.